Hello, lovely viewers. Yes, it's that time of the week when I bring you top 3 most desirable and winning products for dropshipping business. But before we get into that, please do not forget to subscribe if you haven't already and like the video if you actually like the video. I'm not forcing you to do so. It's all up to you. Okay, top 3 products. What do we have? A magic growing Christmas tree, holographic reflective, glowing basketball, Christmas drawstring gift bag, pack of 5. 5 pieces, okay. All right, this all seem a little Christmassy, and that's because Christmas is getting closer every day. And I mean, we are after a month, December will start. People will be start, will start looking for these sort of products on online. So it's very sensible that you look into these kind of products. And before we get into details, just like to remind you that all of these products that you see have their links in the description of the video, where you can check out the rest of the details like shipment methods or how many suppliers are dealing in this product. So don't forget to check that out. Product number 1, magic growing Christmas trees, something to have your children get involved in this, maybe while decorating your house. Just get them this, they grow automatically, and I have no idea how that happens. Maybe if you check out the link you'll find more details. And it's a nice thing. People can give their children these trees and they can help out decorating the house. So uh, I think this is going to be a really nice product to add into your online Shopify or what kind of, whatever store you're managing. All right, statistics say that the product itself costs only $4.54, and stores are selling it for $14.99. There's a solid 10.45 profit margin. Saturation says that only 34 stores are actually selling this product. That's not bad. Like I've said many times, anything below 100 is awesome. Product number 2, holographic reflective glowing basketball. I think the only uh, upside to having this basketball is that it glows at night and you can play it at night. That's all I can say about it. But apparently, for some reason, it's selling like crazy, and people are making some nice profit on this product. So let's check out the stats. Ooh, okay, product cost $26.71. People are selling it for $59.99. A whopping 33.28 profit margin. See, not bad, not bad. You don't have to sell these like 100 or I mean, yeah, of course, if you sell the 100 units of this, so that's also good, obviously. But I mean, I'm trying to say that it has a good profit margin, really high profit margin. So think about it. Saturation inspectors say that only 10, okay, only 10 online stores are trying to sell this product. Well, not trying to sell, I can't speak today, I don't know what's happening. They are actually selling this product. So still a good market, no competition at all whatsoever. So think about it. Product number 3, let's see, Christmas drawstring gift bag, pack of 5 pieces. All right, this is, I think, in my opinion, this is going to be a hot cake because people want to give away presents in fancy bags during the holiday season, and this is, I think this is the perfect product to add into your Shopify store. Well, let's see the profits and cost. Look at that, only 407. That's the cost of this product. 5 bags, $407, $4.07. Selling price, current selling price is $17.95. People are making $13.88 profit. I mean, this is not something to overthink about. This is something that you can jump right into right now. I mean, right away. These bags are going to be needed by moms and grandmoms all over the world to, have some sort of some kind of present inside of them while they're giving it away to their grandchildren. So uh, it's a no-brainer, guys. It's a no-brainer. Saturation inspectors say that only, come on, dude, look at that. Only 4 stores are selling it. God, what else do you need as a sign that this is something you should add into your Shopify store? All right, I think we covered, I don't think we definitely covered all the products. So just a little reminder before we go, don't forget to check out the links of these products in the description for, further details, size, shape, measurements, whatever. And also I have left a couple of links which are actually amazing tools to boost sales and make your life easy as a dropshipping online store owner. So don't forget to check them out, because one of the links is actually a global supplier directory where you can find most reliable and tested suppliers to order products from. So don't forget to check out the description. Well, that's it for today. Have a lovely week. I see you next week. Yeah. Bye bye.